Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to use this watch. Just the basics. First I'm gonna show you how to navigate the system on this watch. So, to wake up the screen on your watch you need to tap on it or press the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, usually you will see the home screen, the watch face. And you can do a couple of things on the home screen. You can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control panel. And here you have shortcuts for different functions of the watch. And next, you can swipe up on the home screen to open the menu. And here you have basically shortcuts for the applications, the application icons. If you swipe right on the home screen, it will open the activity or health page, I would say, something with the health. We have the activity menu and the multi-sport. And then we have the swipe left, and here we have tiles. And basically you have tiles like health, exercise, and stuff like that. Basically some widgets, I would call them, but they're called tiles on the Wear OS. Okay, to open the menu or other settings, you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu, then tap on the settings icon, and here we have the settings. If you're in some kind of menu and you want to go back, you can do it by swiping right on the screen or press the lower button. If you want to go straight to the watch face, press the upper button, like this. What else? If you want to change the watch face, you can simply press and hold on the current watch face. It will open the watch face menu. Here you can scroll through the list, look for the watch face you like, and tap on it to select it and apply it. If you want to turn off the watch, you can press and hold both of the buttons. After a few seconds, the menu will appear, and here you have the turn off button. You can tap on it, and the watch will turn off. And to turn on the watch, you will need to press and hold the upper button and keep holding it until you see the Samsung logo on the screen. Like this. Okay, and to reboot the watch, basically force restarted, you need to press and hold both buttons and keep holding them until you see the Samsung logo on the screen with the rebooting message under it. You can press and hold both buttons, keep holding them. Once you see rebooting, you can release both buttons and wait until the watch is done booting up. I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, we're back. And one thing more I want to show you is how to open the workout menu on this watch. Because on the normal watch, the Galaxy Watch 8, you need to open the menu. Come on. Tap on the Samsung Health, I believe. And here you need to find the workouts, exercise, and you need to tap on them to open the list of workouts. And here you can select the workout and start it. But on this watch, you have this button right here, the middle button, and you can simply press it. It will open the workout menu, and you can then tap on the workout and basically start it. So if you tap on it, you have a tutorial how to use it. And then you can tap on start to start the workout. Okay, let's close this. What else? Maybe the screen brightness. That's also kind of important. So to adjust the screen brightness, you can swipe down from the top of the screen, find the brightness icon, which looks like this, and then you can tap on it and adjust the screen brightness to your liking. You can also do it through the settings. So if you open the settings, find the option called display, and here we have a brightness. You can also disable the adaptive brightness. This option, basically, if it's enabled, the watch automatically adjusts your brightness to the surrounding light. You can disable it if you like to, and then you can adjust the brightness by tapping on the brightness option. Okay, and I would say that's about all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.